Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the figurine prompt with Nano Banana so you can turn your selfie or any image into something like this. I'll give you the most successful prompt. It'll be in the description as well. First you come here, click on New Chat on Google Gemini, click on Tools, toggle on Create Images. As long as you see the banana icon, then we have Nano Banana toggled on. And then you just go ahead and drag and drop your image and paste in the prompt from the description. As you can see right here, click here on Submit. Okay, once you have pasted it, we're asking you to create a 1:7 ratio scale commercialized figurine of the character subject in this picture. Okay, that's the reference. And we're asking it, okay, in a realistic sculpted style in a real environment. So they do that. Then the figurine is basically placed on a clean computer desk, has a round transparent acrylic base, no text on the base, and the content on the computer screen is a 3D modeling process, okay, of this figurine. Next to the computer screen is the toy packaging box printed with the original 2D artwork. So let's see what it looks like. Wow. Okay, that is a pretty good job, as you can see, and that is how to use the figurine prompt with Nano Banana.